Being stuck at 0 viewers sucks. We've all been there. You look over at your chat and no one's there. It's completely empty, not even a single lurker. It's like you just farted at the elevator at work after eating a bean burrito. But don't worry, I've got 5 tips to help you grow your community and engage with your chat. I'm Dubinator, this is Streamwell, let's get into it. My first tip is gonna sound a bit odd, but bear with me. Get a stream mascot. Now, I don't mean some dude in some old suit that smells like sweat dancing around your stream. Not at all. I mean a character or a symbol your chat can collectively love. Creating a unique mascot for your stream can help you stand out from the crowd and create a more memorable brand. Your mascot should represent your channel's personality and vibe. So think about what makes your stream special and how you can incorporate that into your character. Sometimes these characters will even be created naturally in your community. Once you have a mascot, you can incorporate it into so many things like your emotes, your overlays, or even your merchandise at some point. This can help increase viewer loyalty and engagement by making a more cohesive brand and help your audience feel more connected to your streams. Tip number 2, remember as a streamer, you're an entertainer, and some of the best entertainment you can do is a themed stream. A themed stream is a great way to engage your audience and attract new viewers. By hosting streams with specific themes, you can create a unique experience that sets your channel apart from others. For example, you could host a retro gaming night where you play classic 80s and 90s games while you're dressed up. Or you could even do a charity stream where you raise funds for a cause that's close to your heart. These events will not only attract new viewers to your stream, but it can increase engagement from your current community as well. When doing events like these, make sure to use your social network to promote it. Promoting these events can help you reach your community at large and maybe even draw in some new viewers. When planning these theme streams, think about what your audience might enjoy. Is it horror? Is it comedy? Is it a mix of something? Maybe they like community games. Figure out something they enjoy and do that. You can also use these events to collaborate with other streamers or invite special guests to participate. This can help you reach a new audience and create a buzz around your channel. And that leads us into tip number 3, collaborating with other streamers. Most streamers tend to stay within a very narrow range of who they stream with, and that's usually the gaming category. But also consider working with streamers that aren't in the gaming community but still fit your niche and vibe. Perhaps a musician or an artist. While collaborating with other streamers is common, partnering with non-gaming creators can help you reach new audiences and bring fresh content to your stream. For example, you could have a musician come perform live on your stream or have an artist come create custom artwork for your channel during a live session. There are so many types of streamers outside of gaming and all of them are unique. By working with these other creators, you can help expose your audience to new ideas and new content. This can help you keep your content fresh and engaging. It can also help lead to cross-promotion opportunities with creators you work with, helping you reach new viewers. Speaking of new viewers, if you're new here and you're enjoying the video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button. It helps this video spread to new streamers just like yourself, and we can all learn together. Alright, on to tip number 4. Variety, it's the spice of life. So don't limit yourself to just Twitch and YouTube when it comes to promoting your content and connecting with potential viewers. Try exploring other platforms like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and even Facebook. By diversifying your online presence, you can reach a wider audience and increase your chances of growth. These are also great tools to stay connected to your audience even when you're not streaming. Networking with your community outside of Twitch can actually boost your Twitch viewership. But when using these other platforms, try to tailor your content to fit them. For example, I try to create shorts for TikTok, I try to put my thoughts on Twitter, and for behind the scenes content, I post that to Instagram. Things like this can help build your following online and drive traffic to your Twitch channel. And since they're there, you might as well reward them. So tip number 5, reward your viewers. Rewarding your Rewarding your viewers with exclusive content is a great way to encourage more people to support your channel. This could be in the form of games with subs, private Discord servers, or even behind the scenes footage. A sub on Twitch these days is pretty basic, and ad-free viewing is pretty much the only perk viewers get. So if you add value to these subscriptions outside of Twitch, viewers are more likely to subscribe and support you longer. Remember, your viewers are human too. They're using their hard-earned money to support you and your stream. Providing any sort of value outside of Twitch is so much more rewarding to them than anything else. When planning your exclusive content, think about what your viewers would want to see and what would make them feel special. Remember, your viewers are human too, so including them in your streams as much as possible is key. You could even use this opportunity to build a stronger connection with your community. Maybe do a Q&A session, a game night. Maybe you host a private Discord talk where you open up and tell a private story about your life. This can help foster a sense of community and loyalty amongst your viewers, leading to increased support and engagement. Growing on Twitch isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And I promise you, as long as you're working on the tips provided in this video, you're gonna grow your community on Twitch. But if you're new to streaming, check out this video right here. It covers the must-have tools you need in place to protect you and your stream. If you found this video helpful at all, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And until next time, happy streaming.